Watch 8 Classic is all out. Some would really like the design of a new watch and some would hate it. Although Watch Ultra is on a discount which you can avail from a prior listed in this video. Now recently, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic appeared online. Yes, the real device is available on eBay for sale, which confirms the design and everything we want to know about the Watch 8 Classic. This is the Watch 8 Classic. Honestly, when I first saw this picture, I was shocked, like how Samsung made this watch. Sticking rotating bezel on top of Ultra design looks weird. I personally didn't like the design of this watch when I first saw it. This looks cheap and the marking on the dial even looks bad. I don't know, but this comes as a surprise for all of us. The strap is also different on the Watch 8 Classic, and this may be an aftermarket band for the Watch 8 Classic. Although the band connector looks the same as Watch Ultra, but the Watch Ultra and Watch 8 Classic has the same size 47mm. There is no other size available. With the rotating bezel on top of Watch 8 Classic makes it look thicker in size compared to the Watch Ultra, but as per previous sources and rumors, Watch 8 Classic would be slimmer in size compared to the Watch Ultra. But we all know with the additional rotating bezel on top of Watch Ultra, Samsung will going to compromise the battery size of the Watch Ultra. Also, the box confirms Watch 8 Classic will going to feature a 64GB of internal storage. This is double the amount we get last year, so a better feature to have it. The speaker design, the buttons on the side, all looks and feels the same as the Watch Ultra. And if you want Watch Ultra with the bigger battery and discounted pricing, you should check the prior listed in this video. Now, classic versions are always cheaper compared to the Pro or Ultra versions. Since Watch 8 Classic comes with almost all the same features as the Watch Ultra, I believe Samsung will going to stick with the same price on Watch 8 Classic as Watch Ultra. I know it's a bit too much, but Watch 8 Classic has everything the Watch Ultra has except a bigger battery. Even the eBay listing started with low but now standing at $590, closer to the price of a Watch Ultra. Now, I said both uses the same features. Well, yes, as the processor information is out for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Samsung usually use same processor for multiple years, and it seems like this is the same year, where Samsung will be using a 3nm Exynos W1000 processor, the same one used in the Galaxy Watch Ultra. According to Android Authority, deep down in One UI 8 code, they found out 3 watches code name: Fresh 8, Fresh 8 Small, and Wise 8. And inside that code, we saw the same number for the processor. Yes, the same one used in the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the Exynos W1000. Honestly, last time it was a big jump from previous generation, but even on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, you won't see much of a performance difference from last year. Now, Fresh 8 and Fresh 8 Small are the base model Galaxy Watch 8 with 2 different sizes, while the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic would only come with one size, which is 47mm, exactly same as Galaxy Watch Ultra. This means there's not a lot of things changed from Galaxy Watch Ultra and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. On this note, if you find value from this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.